Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have one of these latch systems on your pickup truck toolbox, then this video is going to be for you if you need to replace it. They are replaceable. Don't get rid of the toolbox. If your latch breaks and one side or maybe even potentially both sides of your toolbox no longer keeps your lid down, you can buy replacements off Amazon. I bought two of these for like $28, something like that. So this one does have a lock on it, and it is a pretty much plug and play direct replacement. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, I guess, is go get your new latch. Purchase them off of Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you use that link, I get a small commission off of them. We're literally talking maybe $1, but it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps the channel out. So the next thing you'll want to do is chuck up a drill bit into a drill. And you'll want to use a drill bit that's not going to take these holes any bigger than they already might be, but still going to be able to drill out these rivets. I have a 3/16 inch drill bit here, and I think that was just about perfect. So I've removed the old latch now. So here's my latch system. This rod connects to the locked latch, and when you pull that latch, it pushes this latch forward and unlocks this latch. So this thing's still left and should be all I need to activate the new latch. Hopefully I might be able to get it fitted up all right. So now we'll just insert the new latch. Alright, so the next step you're going to want to do is get yourself a good little rivet tool. This is the biggest rivet that I have that doesn't get too fat. I don't really know the anatomy of a rivet. I don't know the names of all the parts. But this kind of flat washer part here at the end, on the next size up I have, are huge. So I might have to run to my local Ace Hardware and get a little bit bigger size than this. But I'm going to give this this size a try first, because it might work. It just seems a little bit too loose. Yeah, that size was too loose, so I'm going to go ahead and get a bigger size from my local Ace Hardware and bring you back when I'm back. Okay, we're back with some rivets. This says they do gaps 3/16 of an inch to 1/4 inch. I definitely think they're the right ones. Now the question is, will they fit in my rivet gun? Okay, here goes the first one. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good fit. You know, Harbor Freight sells, I'm pretty sure, a good little variety pack of these. Seems like they're often the really tiny ones. I need to take a look at them next time I go in there. Oh, come on, you. Get in there. There's next one. Guess I better run the drill bit through all these just to make sure they line up before I try forcing the pop rivet. There you go. Man, that's in there nice and tight. Alright, let's see how it works, or how it closes. So it does close pretty nice and easy. The problem I'm going to have now is when I open one side, I'm going to have to come over to the other side and open the other. So to get anything out of here, I'm going to have to pretty much climb into the truck bed if I leave it the way it is, which I wouldn't prefer, and it wouldn't be the end of the world, but I'm going to see if I can't make it work, because this latch here that I put in has a couple little holes drilled in it to accept this little rod here. So I'm gonna see if I can't get it lined up, get it secured in there somehow, and get this side to push this side back and open up the latch, but we'll see. So just wanted to show you guys what I did to attempt to fix this. There's a hole in here where this bolt is, and it used to be filled in by a rivet of some sort, and this piece is what broke off amongst other pieces. That latch was just destroyed by the end of its life. But this is a temporary solution. Number one, I have to get a much bigger, better bolt. I just took a bolt and I ran it through one of the drilled holes on the new latch, and then I just tightened this bolt down pretty good, and I just tested it out and it worked. So I'll give you another example of that and show you again how it worked. So we'll close it. I need to make some adjustments there. I do not like how that latch hits that one. I don't know if there's any adjustment for it though. Anyway. Both sides are latched and locked. We'll pull this latch here. Opens up by both sides. Like I said, it's a temporary solution. It works for now, but yeah, all these toolboxes I imagine are probably going to be slightly different from brand to brand, from year to year, age to age, you know, whatever. So it works for now, but it's probably going to need a little bit of adjustment over time. Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a quick update before I posted the video, and I just wanted to show you that I wound up just replacing the left side too. I thought it looked funny having a silver and a black, or a stainless and a black handle. So when you pop that open, it opens both latches, because I got these little pieces here, these little parts, and these little parts right here, they're really expensive for what they are. I'm going to offer you two places to purchase them. One from eTrailer.com, where you have to pay shipping, but overall you save a little bit of money, and then from Amazon.com, which it costs a little bit more, but it ships a lot faster, a lot quicker, and easier to just get and install right away. So both of them open. It's these nice little pieces of hardware here that you cannot find very many places. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you solve your toolbox problem if you had one, or if you're just watching it for entertainment. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you could give me a big thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Go down, click subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.